Eurosport's been thrashing, as you know. And the last thing I asked him for, I said, hey, I would love to have brakes. Pedro says, say less. So the power steering pump that comes on the 7 Series is massive. It's like this whole area here. So what he did is he created a custom bracket, got it machined, and I deleted it. Not only that, but the AC pulley up top. So normally, the water pump, sorry. What he did was we got rid of the AC, which would normally sit somewhere right here, and you need it for the belt. So what Pedro did was he created a new custom pulley for the top, so it runs one single belt.
The pulley is the stuff. What I did was a sleeve, so I could pull the pulley forward and use just one belt.
Get out of here, bro. Yo,
Get a space.
car, the brakes are in. We're running the hydraulic e-brake. The lines are in. Axles. Big shout out to Adonis for lending me the diff. We're gonna be figuring out that next step. I think someone.
Spray 9, look at that. Shout out to Spray 9.
Yay, Spray 9.
Wait.
What's up, brother?
I saw that you had some hammering here, so it was bent. So I marked it, took it out, shaved it, and then I try it again, fit it. Fits perfect, goes in and out, easy. Then I drilled it, put the rivet nuts, and it's bolt on. You can put it and take it as many times as you want.
V12's in, cooling, 3-core E30 M radiator. This has the drivetrain in it basically, right, Pedro?
The only thing we're missing is the drive shaft.
And so drive shaft, and then once we're done with MPact, where we at? Where we at after MPact? What's left for you?
After the MPact, all we gotta do is all electric and get it started.
So electric. How long has the car been here? Like 3 weeks?
3 weeks on the lift.
Yo, 3 weeks on the lift. This is what I'm talking about, right? So again, big shout out to Pedro, man. Eurosport Auto Tech is the next big builder for these cars. You already know, you gotta come here. So big shout out to Gianni. He's actually the hitch man today, and he's rolling out for us with the weekend. Ray, the whole crew here. Like these guys are incredible, bro. So I cannot not thank Pedro and the crew enough. Eurosport Auto Tech, he's my partner in this build. No, just put it right next to Penny. Even the wife is pushing. That's a dynamic duo right there. She's on the lift. Let's go ahead and strap it down.